We are following the two types of revision. One is the daily revision, second is the weekly revision. Okay? So Monday to Friday, that we have to do the daily review. Okay, and Saturday, Sunday, we have to do the weekly review. Samachar Manthan is actually the weekly current affairs issue analysis program. Okay, whatever the current affairs issue is there, it will be explained you through the live lectures or the recorded sessions.
Like my optional is public administration, but the subject is too vast. So I was giving a second thought, like should I continue doing the public administration or should I change my optional?
So these are the 5 subjects. At least 60% of any prelims in the UPSC means you can cover for that exam from these 5 subjects.
I started my full-fledged preparation after I joined the Ultimate Assessment Program at Civilsdaily.
There is a 12-month strategy which I have done on Civilsdaily platform only.
I reached out to the Civilsdaily team.
Civilsdaily. Current affairs में Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily. With Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily. Civilsdaily. To Civilsdaily.
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 A mentorship program of Civilsdaily, and that did help me a lot.
Hi Venkatesh, myself Avadhoot, and I am your mentor from Civilsdaily.
Pranam sir.
Yes. Okay. In this orientation session, we are going to discuss the 4 agendas. Okay. The first agenda is to understand the student, to know about the student. Second agenda is what is the program, what could be the schedule, and what are the components of this UAP program. Third agenda is what sources we need to take for the initial reading. Okay. And the last one is what could be the target and how we can read that target. Okay. And how to submit that daily report. Okay. Target completion report. You can say it. Yes. So let's start with the first agenda. The first agenda is need to know about the student. Okay. You can just tell me about what is your educational background, how many marks that you have got in 10th, 12th, and graduation. If you are doing the post-graduation or if you have done, let me know what's also done. Okay. And apart from this, if you means you are full-time preparing student.
Yes, sir.
So okay. These 3 things you can just tell me.
Okay, sir. So currently I'm pursuing my degree in LLB from Calcutta University itself, and I have secured around 80% in my 10th board examination and 72% in my 12th board examination. And I have a keen interest in civil services, like from the starting of my college years. But due to my inconsistency in the preparation, I find the preparations to be a bit lacking.
Okay. So in this second part, means you can just tell me about the UPSC preparation regarding your UPSC
Yes, sir.
preparation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But that whatever the things is there, you have submitted that 13 questionnaire. Okay. I go through that. But you can just tell me that if you are taking, are you taking any coaching classes for the GS or for the optional, and what is the status of your optional? You can just tell me that.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have not taken any particular classes for GS subjects. I have read book a lot. Like my optional is public administration, but the subject is too vast. So I was giving a second thought, like should I continue doing the public administration or should I change my optional? But as I'm interested towards the public administration, so like I was about to ask you, like, should I prepare the public administration or I should choose other optional as an optional?
Okay. Regarding the optional, we will discuss later. Okay. But in this session, we will definitely talk about the GS and other subject. And for the optional, we will take we will discuss this later. So after some time, after 1 week or after 1 week, we will discuss definitely about that.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So like for timing, like when I find difficulties in certain topics, I refer to YouTube, specifically physics wala classes. Like they give a quite a good understanding of the NCERTs. So for certain cases, I prefer them only, but I go through the books majorly.
Okay, no worry. We have provided you annotated NCERT, so you don't need to find any other sources to to
Okay, sir.
clear or to understand the concepts. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
we are
Completely.
bit capable to provide you all the things.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So the next agenda that we are going to discuss is the what is the program and what would be the schedule. Okay, let me share the screen to you. These are the guideline plan for us. Okay, for the next.
Okay.
I hope you can see it now.
Yes, sir. I can see it.
Okay, so we are doing study in a phase wise,
Okay,
like
sir.
Bunyad phase, ramp up phase, booster phase, prelims oriented phase, and smash mains phase. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. The first phase is the Bunyad phase. So in this Bunyad phase, there are 5 subjects that we are going to do: polity, modern history, economy, geography, and environment. So these are the 5 subjects. At least 60% of any prelims in the UPSC can be, means you can cover for that exam from these 5 subjects. Okay, and these are the basic foundation for the civil services preparation.
Yes,
Subject.
sir.
Every syllabus means you can relate the current affairs. Once you understand these 5 subjects, you can relate the current affairs also. You can interlink the static subject also, and you can write your answer subject. Okay. The first is the polity, modesty, economy, geography, environment. So what we are going to do in this phase, we are referring 2 sources. One is the basic source, second is the reference source. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The selective NCERTs we have chosen to come to cover the basic sources of these 5 subjects. Okay, that list I have shared with you. Okay,
Yes,
and the
sir.
reference book is different for the different subject. Okay,
Okay,
like
sir.
the
Okay, sir.
Lakshmikant, Lakshmikant book for the polity, like this way also. Okay, so
Okay,
it
sir.
is not fixed that we will change the sources also, but at least the source that we are followed now, at least it should cover the 80 to 90% UPSC syllabus. Okay.
Hmm.
So number
Hmm.
indicates here the time required to complete this particular source. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And the next is the what would be the objective of our this phase. Okay? This objective means the basic conceptual understanding is the objective for this phase. Okay. So if you able to understand the concept, okay, if you able to understand concept and if you clarified the concept, it means you can attempt the objective questions also and descriptive questions also. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
the first thing that in this Bunyad phase, we have to understand the concept, basic subject concept. Okay. So for that conceptual understanding, what we are going to do? So we have evaluating ourselves from the NCERT chapter-wise exercise that we have to write. Okay. If we complete the NCERT, we have to solve the chapter-wise exercise. Okay. Then next is the if we're reading the reference source that is Lakshmikant, then we have to give the mentorship test like that is the chapter-wise MCQ based test every day.
Hmm.
If we
Okay,
complete
sir.
fundamental right chapter, then you have to solve the fundamental right chapters. Mentorship test. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Once we complete this subject, the basic source and reference source of particular subject, then we have to solve the subject-wise test. That is prime, prelim, basic test. Understand? We can call it
Okay,
as
sir.
over test. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Additionally, what we have to do practice is short answers. Okay. The short answers that we are following means we are writing based on the chapter-wise exercise of the NCERT. Okay. And the questions comes the previous year questions, especially related to mains from the 1979 to 2012. These are the static based questions that I have.
Hmm.
Means the one book is there. I will share the book with you. You can refer that book for the PYQs. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. And also from 2013 onwards, mains PYQ has been provided to you in the form of micro themes.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
That is the micro theme is there. I'll also explain that how to follow the micro themes. Okay. That I'll give you in the next session. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
initially here in this first page, we are focusing on the short answers. Okay. And then the MCQ, chapter wise, subject wise test. These are the 2 things that is the final agenda of this page. Okay. Once you
Okay, sir.
understand the basic concept, let we move on the second phase, that is the ramp up phase. Okay. The
Hmm.
ramp up phase in which we are covering the GS 1, 2, 3, 4 subject. Okay. Did not in this sequence, we will change the sequence according to our preferences or priorities. Okay, these
Okay,
are
sir.
priorities are different for different with respect to the students. Okay? So in the first, it's whatever we have done in the phase one, that is Bunyad.
Hmm.
We are skipping this in the phase second, the GS 1 to 4 in that subject. Okay. So here the objective of this phase is the detailed study of the mains examination. Okay. Detailed study of the mains examination. In this phase, what we are going to do, we are following the mains essential program, that is static based. 250 marks questions is there.
Hmm.
10 questions, 10 marks, 10 questions, 15 marks, like UPSC. Okay. Along with this, we are uh, writing the long answers based on the mains PYQ, especially from 2013 to till then.
Okay,
2013 to
sir.
2024 is there, and the 2024 is there. Okay,
Hmm.
and the additionally you are going to give the 2026 attempt. So 2025 questions is also there. Okay, so
Okay, okay, sir.
2013, 2020.
Hmm.
So along with this, we are following the X factor notes, subject wise PYQ based X factor note. Okay, and additionally, on that basis, we have to do the mains oriented self note. Okay, अपनी खुद की
Okay, sir.
okay. So in the first page, we are practicing the short answer. Okay.
Hmm.
In the second page, we are practicing the long answers, like
Long answers.
15 markers and 15 markers. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And
Yes, sir.
additionally, once you get
Hmm.
this confidence, we will try
Hmm.
to do the practice of essay. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
you can find out the short answer, long answers, and then essay writing. Okay.
Hmm.
So sustainability of your answer writing would
Is
enhance.
getting increased.
Getting.
Yes, sir.
Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
And also you will get the confidence of writing also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That is what I am lacking, sir, right now.
Yes.
I'm not writing much.
The after completing those two phase, we are following the booster phase. And the booster phase is revision phase. Okay. So every 2 months is a one revision. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever we have learned in the phase one and phase second, we are revising in the 2 months. Okay. So I think
Okay, sir.
at least two revisions should be there. Okay.
Should be there.
And yes, and then from 1st Feb 2026, we are following the prelims oriented phase. Okay. The strategy and timetable will be shared you on that time. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
whatever
Okay,
the
sir.
things that we are going to do, that dominate prelims crash course is there, prime prelims advanced test, and full length test we are going. Okay. The next phase is the smash mains phase. Smash mains phase will start after prelims 2026.
Prelims.
The strategy and timetable will be shared you online. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
in
Okay, sir.
that, what we are going to do, following the Smash PYQ lecture series, X Factor notes, revision, burning issues for the current affairs, and the regular Samachar. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If we go with the timeline, okay. So February, March, April. Till April end, we have to cover the Bunyad phase.
Sir, I should interrupt once. Sir, my examination, semester examinations will start from 10th of February. It will end on 24th of February. So, like, I'll be able to give my 100% from the 1st March only, sir.
Till the time we can cover the NCERTs for the basic subject. If you have
Okay.
exam at that time, we will skip that time. Okay, it is
Okay,
not
sir.
fixed. Okay, so according
Okay,
to
sir.
your, so we can do it in May, April. We will shift to the May. Okay, till the May.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay,
Till
sir.
the March, April, May. 3 months we are going to give the Bunyad phase. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then from June, July, August, September, we are covering the rampart phase. Okay. Then
Sure, sir. Sure.
October, November, revision 1, December, January, revision 2.
Hmm.
And from 1st
Mhm.
Feb 2026, start for the prelims. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
could
sir.
be your random timeline. Okay. You can note down
Yes, sir.
you can note down this timeline in your calendar.
Okay, sir.
So are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir. Completely.
Next part of this agenda is what are the components of the UAP program? Okay, the UAP
Yes, sir.
program, Ultimate Assessment Program. There are 5 components. The first is the
Okay.
target setting. Okay. Second is the revision strategy. Third is the Samachar one. Fourth is the testing, and fifth is the mentorship. Okay.
Hmm.
So one by one we will discuss. The first is the target setting. We are following the 2 types of targets. One is the micro target, that is phase wise target.
Hmm.
Okay, that is Bunyad phase, ramp up phase, booster
Wrap
phase,
up phase.
prelims, oriented, and smash. Okay, so why we are doing
Okay, sir.
in the phase wise manner? Because we have to learn some certain basics. Okay,
Yes, sir.
or
Completely.
techniques. Okay, we are following the certain techniques, like the short answers is our technique. These techniques we will utilize in the next phase. Okay,
Long answers.
long answers. Then essay writing. Then revision, like a write like a topper. Essay writing.
Hmm.
Got it? So for that purpose, we have divided our study in its macro phases. Okay. Next target is the micro target. These micro targets are subject specific.
Hmm.
Okay. The how we can use the strategy, approach, and time target will be shared to you on a subject wise basis before start of that subject. Okay. For the
Okay, sir.
polity, first in today's session, I'll explain you how to read the polity, first NCERT, then how to read the Lakshmi book in the next session. Got it?
Okay, sir.
So we are going to take the session before start of the subject also, before start of the source also, particular. Okay, in
Okay,
which
sir.
I'll explain you the approach and the target for you. So the next next component of UAP program is the revision strategy. So we are following the two types of revision. One is the daily revision, second is the weekly revision. Okay? So Monday to Friday, that we have to do the daily review. Okay, and Saturday, Sunday, we have to do the weekly revision.
Weekly revision.
Weekly revision. Okay, so whatever
Okay,
you have
sir.
learned in that particular week, you have to revise in on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so once we go with this timetable, so Saturday for the GS, Sunday for the optional subject revision. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
This will be following. The next component of the UAP program is the Samachar Manthan. Samachar Manthan is actually the weekly current affairs issue analysis program. Okay, whatever the current affairs issue is there, it will be explained you through the live lectures or the recorded sessions. Okay, you will get both live lectures you can also attend and the recorded lectures. So based on this, you will provided one PDF for the write-up for the Samachar. Okay, so from the PDF reading and from the live lecture watching of the live lecture, you have to understand the basic concept, the current affairs issue. Okay, and that evaluation of the current affairs based on the two types of tests. One is the descriptive test for the 5 questions, 1 question 10 markers, 4 questions 15 markers.
Okay, sir.
Understood? And the next one is the objective test. 20 objective questions is there. MCQ based test, Samachar based test. Every week you have to do this. And the fourth thing in that Samachar Manthan is you will provided a model answer for that 5 questions. Descriptive 5 questions. Understand? So
okay, sir.
The schedule for the Samachar Manthan weekly schedule. However, Saturday, Sunday is the live lecture. Monday to Thursday, you have to read that PDF. Okay. On a Friday, you have to give the test of that particular Samachar Manthan. And on Friday, the next week, Samachar Manthan PDF has been released. Okay.
Okay,
so,
sir. Okay.
You have to see that on that PDF based on Saturday, Sunday is lecture. Next Saturday. Okay. Are you able to understand?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Completely.
Then you have to submit that Samachar Manthan, that write-up. You have to write down a particular answer sheet that is provided in your portal. Okay. You have to download it, you have to print it, and you have to write the questions of every week there. Answers.
Okay, sir.
Then you have to submit to the evaluation team. The procedure for the submission of Samachar Manthan, I have shared you on the Telegram.
Yes, sir. There is email, no? I have to send the document in the.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Once the result has been came, okay, evaluated copy received by you, then you can share with me. I will give you my feedback on that. Okay. So the most important aspect is PTD, post-test discussion.
Yes, sir.
Means whatever the test that you have solved, objective or descriptive, or Samachar Manthan, or essay, any test, or PYQs also, that is the discussion is there. Okay. So we will do the discussion on that everything. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The next agenda next component of UAP program is the testing. Okay, testing. So in the test, in the test, there are three types of tests. One is the objective test for prelims. Okay, the prime prelim basic test is there, one of the objective type test. Second is the advanced test and full length test. Second type of test is the descriptive. So two programs is there. Means essential program, that is static based, and the smash mains along with the mains phase. Okay. The third type of test is the essay writing. Essay writing in the phase second and in the phase revision phase. Understand? So these are the testing. So for the MCQ based, you have to attempt from the portal. For the descriptive test, either means essential program, smash means you have to write on that answer sheet. You have to submit for this that particular team.
Okay, sir.
That evaluated copy will be shared to you.
Okay, sir.
Then you have to send me that evaluated copy, and we will make a discussion on that.
But
Understand?
the submission of the evaluated answer, like mains answer writing, will be in the second phase, no?
Yes.
Like
After completion of the phase one.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So the last component of the UAP program is the mentorship. Okay. So mentorship is actually the bridge between student and the UPSC exam. Okay. Student and the UPSC exam. So there are 4 pillars of the mentorship. First is the schedule. Second is the concept. Third is the evaluation. And fourth is the feedback on the evaluation. Okay. The first thing, we have to make the schedule. Okay. So I have given you the schedule. Like,
yes, sir. This schedule. Yeah.
This is the schedule. Okay. The weekly schedule, I provide you week-wise manner. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The next is you have to cover the concept from that schedule. Okay. UPSC is asking question based on the concept. Based on the concept. Like, and we have to cover that concept from the basic source, reference source, mains-oriented notes, mains-oriented reference book. Okay. The third is whatever the concept that you are learning or you have learned, that it should be evaluated. And that evaluation is based on the testing component.
Yes, sir, completely.
And whatever the result of testing, then mentor will give you the feedback. Okay. Understand?
Okay, sir.
So
Yes,
these are the two agendas that we have discussed. Till so far, what are the are you able to understand all, or you feel like that something is missing there, or are you unable to understand?
No, sir, everything is fine. Everything is fine. Just only one thing, sir. Like you have said that after in the prelims part, 2020, 2013 from. Wait a second. Hello. Sir, from like the prelims part 2013, you'll provide a PDF of the questions, right? Like crisp, like what I haven't understand that.
Yes.
In the first phase, like mains PYQs, especially from 7.
These are the mains PYQ. These are the mains PYQ, not the prelims player.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. The third agenda. What could be the sources? Okay.
Yes, sir.
The source list I have submitted to you. Okay. And yes, also sir. I have explained you that we will change the source according to our need.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Yes.
So, sir, for economy, as of now, I'm referring Ramesh Singh. Like,
yes,
is it okay?
So we will discuss that particular source before start of that subject. Okay. So don't worry about that. Whatever the problem in your mind, that we will discuss all the things. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
These are the only general or minimum thing that we need to follow.
Okay, sir.
Let's start with the first is the source I have shared with you. The next is the how to follow, how to access the portal, or how we can the portal guideline given you in the video format. Next is the self-evaluation strategy. I'll explain you after 15 days. You can remember me.
Okay, sir.
Revision strategy. Samachar. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Let's move on. Our last agenda of discussion is the target. What could be the target? Okay. What could be our target? So our target is first we have to read the polity NCERTs.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So even if you have read polity NCERT before that, but you have to follow. If you followed the way that I am explaining, we will shift to the next target. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But if you haven't do, you can revise it or reread it. Okay. You have to again read it. But
Okay,
better
sir. Sure.
if you read again, it will be helpful for you also.
Yes, sir. Completely.
So these are the annotated NCERT, quality NCERT I have shared with you. Okay.
Yes, sir. I've seen.
Yes. So what we have done, we have highlighted the key points in the NCERT in the 5 colors. Okay. The green color is actually for the mains, the PYQ have been asked from the prelims and mains. Okay. Blue color is the high potential area where questions can be asked. Okay. Pink is the purely factual statement like here. Okay. Peach color, the terms and definition given by the NCERT. Okay. And yellow color, the which sounds extreme but are
But true.
so let's start with the first chapter. How to read the chapter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what could be the procedure for the reading chapter? I have given you the guideline. These are the guidelines. How to read the chapter. Okay. Means why we are following such a way? Because we have to first, what is our objective? To conceptual clarity. Okay. Then how it can become? Then we have to follow some methods. Then the concept will be understand by us because जो concept होता है वो दिमाग में डालने का एक तरीका हमें क्या करना है ढूंढना है. So that thing that we have done. So first read the introduction of the chapter. Second, write down the heading and subheading of the chapter. Third, read the chapter and make the key point. And last one, solve the exercise. Okay. And the day-wise target for the quality NCERT provided you. First day, Indian Constitution Network 2 chapter. Second day, 3 and 4. Means first day, your first day start with today. Okay. Today, you have to complete the 2 chapters. Then 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. 28, 29, 30, 31. So till 31st January, you have to cover the 2 NCERT.
Okay, sir.
अंडरस्टैंड. तो यहाँ पे आपको रिवाइज करना, वीकली रिवाइज वगैरह ऐसा कुछ चीज नहीं है. आप फॉलो कर दो. ठीक है. और डेली रिवीजन करो. अब कैसे पढ़ना है मैं आपको बता दूं. ठीक है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या हमारा? फर्स्ट पॉइंट चैप्टर को करने का पहला प्रोसीजर क्या है? स्टेप क्या है? रीड द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द चैप्टर. व्हाट इज द रीड द इंट्रोडक्शन. आफ्टर स्टडिंग दिस चैप्टर यू विल लर्न what you learn, what a constitution means, what a constitution does to society, how constitution governs the allocation of powers in society, and what was the way in which constitution of India was made. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So ये 4 पॉइंट्स है हमारे दिमाग में चैप्टर में ये एक्सप्लेन किया है. Okay. Then write down the heading and subheading of the chapter. What is the heading? Why do we need a constitution? हमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की जरूरत क्यों? बिकॉज इट अलाउज कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड एश्योरेंस बिटवीन डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स.
First point.
Second point, it gives specification of decision making powers between different organs of the government. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Third
Yes,
point, it limits the powers of government. Fourth point, the aspirations and goals of the society inscribed in the constitution. Okay. And the fifth, it gives fundamental identity to the people. Got it? ये हुआ आपका हेडिंग और सब हेडिंग. अब सेकंड हेडिंग क्या है? द ऑथोरिटी ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. द ऑथोरिटी ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. हाउ डज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एस्टैब्लिश देयर ऑथोरिटी? द फर्स्ट वन इज द मोड ऑफ प्रोमulgation.
Mode of promulgation.
Constitution promulgated in such way where it established their authority. Means the only constituent assembly has the power to change the constitution. Okay, not the parliament even have the power to change the constitution. Parliament have the power only to change the provisions of the constitution, not the constitution. But तो ऐसे हमें क्या करना है? उसको हेडिंग सब हेडिंग से समझ के लेना है. Okay, once you the 2 step इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ना है. सेकंड हेडिंग सब हेडिंग. फिर थर्ड पॉइंट क्या है कि चैप्टर को रीड कर लो और की पॉइंट्स नोट्स करो. ओके. अब चैप्टर को देखो कैसे कि फंडामेंटल आइडेंटिटी ऑफ पीपल. तो फंडामेंटल आइडेंटिटी तो कितने टाइप्स की आइडेंटिटी दिया है यहाँ पे? फर्स्ट इज द कलेक्टिव आइडेंटिटी. कलेक्टिव मींस क्या है? we are a people governed by one single constitution that itself establishes the collective identity. Means we are governed by the Indian Constitution.
Indian Constitution.
Second is the political identity. We have agreed some basic norms and principles that constitute our basic quality. Means we are people from Venkatesh and Avadhoot are people from democratic, republic, sovereign, socialist, secular India.
Socialist.
But the third one is the moral identity. Means we are following some fundamental values. Okay? The humanity is a fundamental value. Okay, means we are a human. We should treat human as a human being. Okay, this is our third identity. अंडरस्टैंड. सो आपको ऐसे समझ के लेना है. ओके, तो थर्ड स्टेज होने के बाद लास्ट स्टेज क्या है? यू नीड टू सॉल्व द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दैट चैप्टर. अब इवैल्यूएशन वाला पार्ट है. ओके, यहाँ पे जो भी क्वेश्चन दिए और यहाँ पे जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन दिए ऑब्जेक्टिव, आप ऑब्जेक्टिव यहीं पे मार्क कर लो और डिस्क्रिप्टिव को आप सेपरेट पेज पे लिख सकते हैं या फिर आप बुलेट पॉइंट्स में ये वाले क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे एम्प्टी स्पेस में लिख सकते हैं. व्हाट कुड बी हैपन इन सच डिपार्टमेंट if you unable to write the questions? Okay, it means you have not understand that concept. That is the clear cut. Okay, then you have to revisit that
Read
concept, read again and solve that question. Understand?
Okay, sir.
अब ये हुआ आपका टारगेट भी समझ में आया, टारगेट को कैसे पढ़ना है ये भी समझ में आया.
जी सर.
अब इस वीक में खाली आपको 2 एनसीईआरटी पढ़ना है, ना समाचार मंथन करना है ना कुछ करना है, खाली न्यूज़पेपर और ये चीज करना है. न्यूज़पेपर
Okay,
में
sir.
आपको पढ़ना है, आप जिस वे से पढ़ रहे हो उस वे से पढ़ो, उसका कुछ नोट्स वगैरह मत बनाओ. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू लेटर. ओके, तो
Okay,
देखो इसमें क्या है कि फर्स्ट थिंग वी आर फॉलोइंग वन थिंग. हम एक थिंग को एक हफ्ता करेंगे. यदि
ठीक है.
हाँ, तो फिर हम देखेंगे, फिर ये लोड हम सह पाएंगे तब हम सेकंड चीज उसमें ऐड करेंगे.
ठीक है
फिर
सर.
2 चीज को हम एक हफ्ता लेके चलेंगे, फिर थर्ड चीज उसमें क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे.
ठीक है सर.
ओके, तो इससे क्या होगी, sustainability of your preparation will go increase. Understood?
जी सर. जी सर.
अब इसके साथ साथ थर्ड पॉइंट जो मेरा सबसे बोलने का है कि डेली आपको मुझे ये चीज भेजनी भर के. ओके, यहाँ पे
Okay, sir.
डेट डालनी है, यहाँ पे कौन सा डे है उसको मार्क करो. जैसे आज कौन सा है, फ्राइडे. यहाँ पे डेट डालो 24 जनवरी फ्राइडे. मूड ट्रैकर आपका जो भी हो लास्ट में, दिन के लास्ट में करना. लेकिन you have to do, write down here what you need to do. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, उसमें से प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट निकालो. फिर आप जब से वेकअप हो तो वहां से आप सोने तक आपने क्या क्या चीज, इसको आप डिटेल में यहाँ पे भरना है टाइम वाइज. यदि
Okay,
आप
sir.
4 घंटे कॉलेज में गए तो 4 घंटे कॉलेज के लिए गए.
जी सर.
और लास्ट में नोट्स में आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे टाइम मेंशन करना है कि कितना टाइम पढ़ाई. और फिर हमें पता चलेगा हम आज 4 घंटे पढ़े, कल हम 4.25 घंटे पढ़े, फिर हम 4.5 घंटे पढ़े, फिर हम 3 घंटे पढ़े. बड़े तो 4.25 4.5 तक हम गए और फिर 3 घंटे क्यों, इसका रीजन हमें ये नोट्स में मेंशन करना है. बट वी कैन कॉल इट द सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन ट्रैकिंग. बट
यस सर.
तो ये आपको हेल्प करेगा आपको आगे आने वाले डेज में. अंडरस्टैंड?
यस
अब
सर.
इसके
जी सर.
साथ प्रूफ ऑफ सबमिशन. प्रूफ ऑफ सबमिशन क्या है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि आप मुझे क्या क्या भेज सकते हो. एक तो हेडिंग सब हेडिंग लिखा वाला भेजो, या फिर नोट्स
जी.
भेजो, या फिर चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज भेजो. ओके, हर रोज आप ही टाइम डिसाइड करके रखो कि सर मैं आपको इस टाइम पे रिप्लाई करूंगा, और उसमें
ठीक है
आपने
सर.
दिन में क्या किया है वो सारी चीज मुझे क्या करके आपने भेजनी है. सर आज के दिन मैंने 2 चैप्टर पढ़े और उसकी एक्सरसाइज, और एक्सरसाइज मुझे पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में भेज दो.
Okay,
बट
sir.
सो मुझे चेक करने में भी आसान जाएगी या देखने में भी आसान.
जी
अंडरस्टैंड?
सर. जी.
दिस मीन्स अभी ये ओरिएंटेशन हमारा क्या हुआ है, खत्म हुआ है. यानी कि मुझे जो बातें बतानी थी, जो बेसिक
Okay, sir.
बातें थी वो मैंने आपको बताई. अब इसके आगे वाला है, जैसे हम आगे आगे जाएंगे वैसे हम क्या करेंगे, हमारा इंटरेक्शन और बढ़ेगा. ओके,
जी
और
सर.
सेकंड थिंग, वीकली आप मुझे कॉल करना है एक बार. ओके, वीकली हम एक बार सेशन करेंगे, उसमें हम आगे वाला पीछे क्या किया है और आगे क्या. इसके साथ साथ जो भी आप समाचार मंथन लिखोगे उसका सेशन करेंगे. जो भी आप यानी कि जो भी थिंग्स आप करोगे वो हम क्या करेंगे, हम
ठीक है
डिस्कस
सर.
करेंगे.
सर वो एनोटेड जो एनसीईआरटीज है वो मुझे पोर्टल से मिल जाएगी क्या?
वो पोर्टल में सारे एक्सेसिबल है. मेंटरशिप टेस्ट पोर्टल में है. आपको पोर्टल में कुछ दिक्कत आएगी तो मुझे बता दो. और देखो आपको जो भी डाउट आएगा तो मुझे पूछो. कॉन्सेप्ट रिलेटेड डाउट होगा तो अपना जो ग्रुप आपने मित्र वाला ग्रुप में
हाँ जी.
ऐड हो, वहां पे फोटो
जी.
डाल के आप डाउट पूछो आपका. तो बाकी लोग
ओके
भी
सर.
आपको आंसर दे देंगे, मैं भी आंसर दे दूंगा. ओके,
ठीक है सर.
अंडरस्टूड?
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है,
ठीक है. हाँ सर. बाकी तो क्लैरिटी आ ही जाएगी सर, वो कम्युनिकेशन होते होते जो भी है.
ठीक है.
ठीक है सर.
ओके.